tragic.
What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kay, and we're kicking up another video, guys. Another video. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you stay, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, bring it in. Yeah, we at the house trying to fix something to eat because today is the first day of daylight savings time, so the time went up an hour, so I kind of feel like I'm cheating on my fast, but I'm not, because it says 12 o'clock. So I just seared some steaks. I can't remember if I filmed it or not, or if it came out good, because I've never filmed myself cooking before, but I seared some steaks, and now I got them in the oven warming, and I'm going to make some sauteed spinach, and that's what it's gonna be. Because I'm starving. What have I been up to? Nothing, y'all. I haven't really been up to too much since the last time I talked to y'all. I think that by the time you see this, it'll be about 2 vlogs ago. Yeah, we do need to edit. I'm trying to see if I got any plans. Y'all, hold on, let me go get my phone. But y'all, what is that? Anyway, I don't know what to do with myself without football season, y'all. I'm gonna get adjusted because it's crawfish season, but here's the deal. Crawfish season can get a little expensive. It can get a little expensive, especially if you love crawfish. I don't like the way they look. That's giving whole booty. Girl, that they look like a booty. Oh my God. Let me touch it. Anyway, y'all, let me stop. It get a little expensive, like, just for crawfish. And you hungry like 10 minutes later, but that's not the point. I feel like I am rambling at this point. Probably because I'm hungry. The baby is definitely hungry, so I guess I'm gonna finish up my food. I want to come and get the vlog started. Nobody got that order yet? I want to come and get the vlog started. I'm probably gonna set up my light. It's been sitting in a corner, and I'm thinking that I'm giving off a lot of light, but with the light from the camera, it's still kind of dark. And I have all the lights in here, and it's still kind of dark. So we're gonna plug up our light so we can, have light. Girl, that pollen is on that table in the backyard. Oh my God. Y'all, let me go dust and get the I ain't never showed y'all the backyard, huh? Let me go dust and get the backyard together, and I might just show y'all the backyard. Do a little reveal. That sounds like something y'all want to see. You gonna see it anyway. I'll be back. Hey y'all, I'm back. Did I turn the stove off? Yeah. I'm back. Oh God, I got all the cameras and stuff on. Y'all, I'm mad about that bag of spinach reduced down to a half a cup of spinach. I mean, I know it happened, but I ain't want it to happen now. I'm looking in the backyard again because, yeah, I don't know if y'all do this, but I will wake up with these amazing plans. Like, okay, I'm finna go in here and wash the clothes. And you know what happens? I'll go on my way washing the clothes. Something happens in the bathroom. So I walk in the bathroom and I adjust that. And then I go, oh, okay, let me go grab my phone. So I go back and grab my phone. Then I start scrolling. Then I turn on the TV. Then I go in and I say, oh, I'm hungry. Let me go get something to eat. Oh, I don't have what I need. So let me go to the store. I go to the store, come back, get what I need, put it in the refrigerator, don't cook. End up leaving it back out the house, going to get something to eat because I'm still hungry. Come in, now it's about 6, 7, 8 hours later on the phone. Then I realized, oh, let me take a bath. Somebody just called, I'm finna head out. Head out, get back home, it's like 12 hours later, and the clothes still ain't washed. That's my life. If anybody let me know that I'm not out here alone by myself. Does that anybody else? You be, child. Cause I swear, but I want to go sit in the backyard today, so I'm definitely gonna go get it together and probably show you guys my spinach. It's over there. We're about to eat. Maybe we'll eat in the backyard. That'll be fun. Y'all, why y'all didn't tell me? I'm so upset. Y'all, TUBI. Why y'all ain't tell me about TUBI? I mean, I knew that it was an app on my TV or whatever, but I didn't know that it was free. So it took for my beautician for her to tell me that it was free, because nobody else told me. So anyway, when I was getting my hair cut, she was watching some movie called Gaslight. Yeah, I know stupid shit make me itch, but I watched it. I watched it, and it was literally about, if you plan on watching it, you might want to cut off this part right here. But it's literally about this married couple who the dad didn't want her to marry him. He wanted better for her because he knew he wasn't shit. But we be knowing, parents be knowing. He knew he wasn't shit, and so apparently, even though she had her, because y'all know I'm analytical, I'm Gemini, you couldn't see through none of the bullshit he was doing. I was figured out the movie. I figured out what was going on, and ain't nobody even tell me. It was my first time watching it. As soon as she met the therapist, I said, "Oh yeah, that therapist and her husband fucking." That's what I said. I was just like, if I can see it, how the hell you didn't see it? Is it worth the watch? I say yeah. I definitely, cause I done watched it like twice, cause I had to make sure y'all. I'll get up. Y'all know I have a short attention span. In the middle of TV, movies, it don't matter. I get up and go do something. I can't sit still. So that's why when somebody may ask me, "Hey, did you watch such and such?" and I'd be like, "Damn, I don't know if that's a rhetorical question or if they want to answer, because I watched it, but I got up a couple of times. So if I say yeah, and then you mention the part that I didn't watch, then it don't look like I'm lying." So that's normally how I do. I gotta watch something a couple of times. Y'all watching BMF? Y'all know I can't stand that daddy, so ain't nothing changed about that. But girl, if this last episode, baby, the Wolverine, aka Snoop Dogg trying to hit up on the mama. Y'all seen her trying to rub the leg? And then when she didn't oblige, she said, "Yeah, go ahead and take that back and split the check down the middle." I was like, bitch, split your scalp down the middle, grease it, and plait that shit up, cut it off, something, because I hate that wig. I fucking hate it. Anyway, yeah, girl. And baby, I thought mama was gonna do a little more when she found out that the neighbor was fucking her husband. She didn't. Ooh, I was expecting for her to pull some hair, make a mean face, something. She ain't doing enough for me. You know, for TV purposes. Yeah, she let her Christian kick in, and we got what we got. So, yeah. No, my thing about BMF, it's hard to watch now. It's hard. Not that it ain't good, but what's his name? The little ashy one. Start with an L. Lamont. Is it Lamont? Girl, y'all know who I'm talking about if y'all watched it. But baby, look here. He had my nerves there when he gave me anxiety, cause I don't know what he do, cause he nasty to the motherfucker. And I knew at some point he was gonna beat up old girl, but I ain't know he was gonna kill her. I knew he was gonna slap her around a little bit, cause I knew he knew that he was being, she ain't know what she was doing. She tried. I know he knew she was full of shit. You ain't have to kill your baby mama. Then you answered your baby mama phone. I swear, y'all, when he come on, I'll be like this. I never know what he gonna do. Oh, anyway, y'all, I'm rambling at this time. I need to figure out what I need to eat. I need to eat. We're gonna eat, and then I'll figure out what we're gonna do next. All right?
Don't mean to